Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming the service supports FIDO2 or U2F so the key will register correctly. This avoids wasted steps. Insert or tap your security key into the device and open the account's security settings where it says Add Security Key. Once prompted, follow the browser dialog to name the key and touch its metal contact or press the button. This proves physical possession. Make sure to register a second backup key or alternative 2FA method before leaving this screen. Once done registering, practice signing in to confirm the flow. On sign-in, choose Use Security Key, insert or tap the key, then allow the browser to access it. Permission keeps the OS secure. When the key flashes or vibrates, touch or press it. This completes the cryptographic challenge and proves you're present. If you use NFC on a phone, hold the key to the antenna area until the app advances. Make sure to label keys so you don't mix them up. To finish, test by logging out and signing back in with the key to confirm persistence. This ensures recovery options work. If authentication fails, try a different USB port, reseat the key, toggle browser flags, or restart the device. These often resolve driver or permission issues. If problems persist, update browser and firmware or use the service's recovery codes to regain access. Then contact the key vendor for firmware.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.